Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you how to connect your TikTok account with your YouTube channel. So let's start. First open the TikTok app. Now go to your profile from bottom right corner and tap on Edit Profile. Now here at the bottom tap on YouTube. Now select the Gmail account of your YouTube channel. Now tap Allow and your YouTube channel will be connected to your TikTok account. Now if you go back to your profile, you'll see an YouTube icon. If you tap on that, it will take you directly to your YouTube channel. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.